Hey guys, welcome to our channel, and if you want to connect your DVD player with a Samsung TV, then this video is for you. Here is the steps. The first step is connect the cable to the back of the DVD player. Here it is. Make sure that it is exact its own place. The jack is its own place. So you can connect HDMI port and the component section where you can find also a composite port here and also S video. So make sure that you have plugged in it in any desired place from here. Then connect the cable to the back of the TV. Depending on the type of your cable you are using, the connect your DVD players, connect it to the proper port on the back of the Samsung TV. So HDMI cables plugging into the port labeled HDMI and component port is labeled. So here is the component composite cable will connect to the color coded ports on the back side of TV, and as video cables cannot be connected to the as video port by matching the pins with the holes on the board. Now here is the third step, that plug in the DVD players, power it on. Make sure you have an available electrical outlet near your TV to plug in your DVD player. If you do not, you can use a power strip to extend the number of outlets near your TV. Then select your source on the TV. There is a source for each port on the back of your TV. Press the source button on your TV. Press on the source button on the TV and remote to cycle through the sources until you reach the source for DVD. Is DVD, then source DVD players connected to for DVD, and the Blu-ray players have a startup screen that will be visible on the TV when you reach the proper sources. So you will have a source button. It might be saying put instead on your Samsung remote, even if it's a compact version of the one display here. Repeatedly press the source or input button until you reach the source that's connected to the DVD players. For example, if you plugged in the DVD player with an HDMI cable, press source or input on your remote until your source labeled HDMI. If you see signal on mode not supported, you must likely need to press the source and input button to your remote again and to try different input channel. So that's how you can just simply do it, and make sure that your Samsung TV is support the DVD player. So that's pretty much all thing. Hope you got this. If so, then give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe our channel, and thanks for watching. Till next time.